you don't hate me. Come on now.
He's never gonna love you like that. My hands on your body in the way that you like her. He's never gonna love you like me. My hands on your hips made it look so easy. He's never gonna love you like that. Can see it in the way that you hold his hand up. He's never gonna love you like me. No way, nobody gonna love you like me.
Try to replace you. Try to find someone who makes me feel like you do. Cause the way you smile really drives me wild. But ooh, nobody comes close, and you're the one to blame. Yeah, and I know that you feel the same, baby.
He's never gonna love you like that. My hands on your body in the way that you like her. He's never gonna love you like me. My hands on your hips made it look so easy. He's never gonna love you like that. Can see it in the way that you hold his hand up. He's never gonna love you like me. When your head's messed up and you're drunk in the backseat. You can dance, you can dance, you can dance. You can find somebody just like me. And you can dance, you can dance, you can dance, but you won't know how to hold your body. He's never gonna love you like that. My hands on your body in the way that you like her. He's never gonna love you like me. No way, nobody gonna love you like me. No way, nobody gonna love you like me. Oh, no, no. Nobody. He's never gonna love you like me. No way, nobody gonna love you like me.
This dance is called Hands on Your Body, choreographed by Tim Johnson and Hayley Wheatley. It's a 32 count 2-wall intermediate level line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Forward, quarter turn right side, sailor quarter turn right behind side, forward facing 6, forward, quarter turn left side facing 3, behind side cross. Section 2, press right ball to side, recover quarter turn right facing 6, back, la, back, quarter turn left, sway left, right, side, behind quarter turn left forward facing 12. Section 3, step forward, pivot quarter turn left facing 9, cross samba to the diagonal, cross back together facing 10-30, back, back, behind square to 12, quarter turn right, side cross facing 3. Last section, Sarah, recover, cross shuffle, side touch, quarter turn right, side touch, point. And you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And you start over again.好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个八拍右脚开始，前右转旁面对3点，再一个右转 sailor quarter turn 面对6点，前左转旁后旁跨面对3点。第二个八拍右脚往旁边 press 回肉右转面对6点，后锁步左转 sway 左 sway 右，旁后左转前面对12点。第三个八拍前左转3把往斜方向跨后并面对10点半，退退后回应到12点，右转旁跨面对3点。最后一个八拍旁回跨恰恰，旁点右转旁点旁点点，重心在左脚面对6点。让我重新开始。